Hi, I'm Sandrine, I'm a head educator at ProNails, and today I want to share with you more info about the Flexi base. So as a stylist, you certainly have clients with more difficult natural nails. Natural nails that are very thin, very soft, and that bends easily. They are almost like baby nails. So even with the right technique, you will face some lifting problems on those nails. And that's why we created the Flexi base. This base is thin, very elastic, and stick perfectly on the natural nails. So it will provide you a very good adhesion on those difficult nails. So, how do you use it? So you prepare the natural nail like you usually do. You apply the primer, and after you can start with the Flexi base. So you can see it's in a bottle, so it's very easy. You also have an integrated brushes. You apply it over the 5 fingers, you seal the free edge, and then you place the hand in the lamp for curing 30 seconds soft with the smart light. After the curing, there is a sticky layer. You can keep the sticky layer and go ahead with your builder gel. So ideal for flexible natural nails is to work with the Flexi builder gels, but it's also compatible with any kind of ProNails builder gels. And then you go ahead with your classical procedure. So if you don't want lifting problems, choose the Flexi base.